guys, Siana from SkatePro here. We are standing with the Blizzard 88 Black Bow, the female all-mountain ski from Blizzard. Very popular. I would say, as first impressions going down the track, that they're actually very good all-mountain skis because they make very good and stable long turns. I wouldn't go for short turns for those, of course, because you have the quite steep rocker, which gives you a bit of more trembling. But at the same time, this exact same rocker is gonna keep you afloat on the deeper snow, which we tried them in, and they are way more stable there when it comes to shorter turns. But all in all, they're quite stable. They're very good at doing turns very light because of the carbon flip core. So very nice and easy ride skis, and we tried them both on the track and in a bit fluffier snow, so they perform really good.
And remember, you can get all the skis at skatepro.com, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us at email@skatepro.com. See you guys!